talks about glows and grows. You know, glows like did so well at something, and grows like you learned and this is how you're growing, and this is what you can still do to learn more. Let's take a look. So this is called a bit of a T chart because there's 2-letter T's that are made with those white lines. In the middle, it says, what have I learned about making choices? Then you think. Look at the red box, guys and girls. It says, taking things that do not belong to me. Taking things that do not belong to me. What have I learned about this? Well, I already knew that taking things that do not belong to me is not a good thing to do. So I think I'm going to put that in glows. How will I grow in my thinking about taking things that do not belong to me? I'm not really sure how I'm going to grow in that one, so I'm not going to do anything there. But let me go ahead and put my glow in. Remember, like I already knew that. I already knew that taking things that don't belong to me is not a good idea. Get my text, click where I want it, and write your words. I already knew this. I already knew that taking things that do not belong to me is not a good moral choice to make. Then I go on. I look in this box, not being truthful. Let me think a little bit about that. Have I grown in my idea that not being truthful is not something I want to choose? Well, I remember that I thought that sometimes it's easier, even when I know the truth, not to say the truth. So that's something that I've thought about, and that's something that I've learned. So I'm going to put that over here in grows. I'll go up and get a text box. See how it highlights like that? Click, and then put it where you want the words to go. I'm going to sort of have it match up with not being truthful, so I'm going to put it here. Let's see, I want to say not saying what I know is the truth is kind of like lying. It doesn't feel good. You know, when I know the truth and I don't say it, it's like I'm keeping a secret. It's not a good thing. All right, and the last one is down here. Cutting in line. Look, I have this one filled in. I know that cutting in line is unfair to people who are in the line. That's a glow. That's a yay me. And I'm going to grow because I wrote, now I know that it hurts me to cut in line too. Yeah, if I cut in line, I feel like I've cheated people a little bit, and that does not feel good. So that's a grow. That's how I've grown in my learning. You'll take time now, and you'll grow in your learning, and you'll write that down, or you can draw pictures. Have fun doing glows and grows, and that's it for now.